Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Tawakkalna la hawla wala quwwata illa billah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today our video gonna be about who is the human being. MashaAllah, we know the power of the jinn, we know the power of the angel, but it looks like a lot of people don't know who is really the human being, who they are. MashaAllah, the Quran tells us the enemy of human being is Shaitan, and we're gonna start by talking who is Shaitan first, so we're gonna know what is the power of human being. Shaitan, as we know all, was the chief of all the angels. At some point he was able to read in Lawhul Mahfuz, where Allah write everything that's supposed to happen and everything that already happened, and he saw that Allah is making a creature who was Adam, and there was an angel that will not bow to Adam, and Allah will disgrace them. And when he saw that, he told that to the angel, who he was the chief, because he was the boss of the angel, and he said, I'm going to make dua for you, so you're not going to be the one that will be disgraced. Because he was so powerful, he thought that at this point there is nothing Allah can tell him that he will not do. So that's how powerful Shaitan was. And we also know that Shaitan pray every inch on this earth. Everywhere you go, Satan has did sujood at that place, and also that he got a lot of knowledge about a lot of subject. MashaAllah, this is the enemy of humankind. So if they tell you Mike Tyson is the one you're gonna fight, that means also you are not somebody that's small. So the human being is very powerful if you know who he is. MashaAllah. Also in the history of Suleiman, when Suleiman wanted the chair of Balkis, he asked his disciple, he said, who among you can bring me her chair right now? And one of the jinn, Ifrit is the most powerful of the jinn. He tell to Suleiman, I can do it before you stand up where you're sitting right now. And another human being told Suleiman, I can do it in a blink of an eye. So the jinn can do it before Suleiman stand up, but a human being can bring it in a blink of an eye. So this shows that human beings are more powerful than jinn. And also in the Isra wal Mi'raj, we see that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when he went with Jibril, at some point Jibril told him, this is my limit. I cannot go further than this. If I go further, there are